As you just saw, Natasha's one of the millions of Americans suffering from painful and debilitating osteoarthritis.
But now there's a new treatment, and it is offering hope.
Arthritis treatments are very limited because they're not treating the root of the problem, they're just blocking the symptoms of pain and inflammation. Natasha, hi, how are you?
Hi.
Nice to see you. Natasha's a perfect example where she had an injury to her knee and she tore her meniscus, and the cartilage doesn't have enough sponge to protect the joint. It begins to wear down. Platelet-rich plasma basically release healing properties called growth factors, and those growth factors coordinate repair and regeneration in the body. So what we do is we take the patient's own blood, about this much in a test tube, we put their blood in a machine called a centrifuge, which looks like a record player, and we spin the blood at a very high speed, and we get rid of all the other properties that don't play a major role in healing, like plasma and red blood cells, and we're left with these rich platelets. And then, like looking in the body with ultrasound, we inject the patient's own platelets and growth factor within a millimeter of the injury to regenerate tissue. You okay? Mm-hmm. So you can see the needle on the upper left-hand corner of the screen moving across to the target site. So we make sure we're exactly in the target site, otherwise it's not going to work. Platelet-rich plasma mimics the body's natural injury response. We're revitalizing these cells, and we're trying to regrow and regenerate tissue. So we're not just blocking their pain, but we're actually fixing the root of the problem. Finito. Platelets are their most active state in the first 5 to 7 minutes. So we just want you to lay here still, and we'll see you back soon in the office. Okay? Thank you. Sure.
Natasha's here with Dr. Steven Sampson, and it's been about a week since you had the treatment. How's it going?
I feel good. It was slightly uncomfortable the day after, and then it got better, and right now, actually, it's better than it was before. So,
Which is fantastic.